Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to tell you how to back up all your SMS using only one app. So here is the application SMS organizer, as you can see on my screen. It is in the middle. So it is also present in the Play Store. SMS organizer. I just installed it just to show you, and you just need to use this application to back up. As you can see, there are three dots on the top right corner. Go to settings, and the third tab, backup and restore. Just click on backup and all the backup will be to your drive. As you can see, my Gmail ID is already linked, so it will take a few seconds or few minutes to depends upon your data what you have. It will get uploaded and you can restore it whenever you want. As you can see, I have 2 restore points shown, so it is easy for everyone to just back up all the data present in the form of SMS. So that's it guys, thank you. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care.